It's often said that running is free, you just step out of the door and go. You know what you want from your running shoes: lightweight, cushioning, support, and a comfortable fit. Of course, the most important part of any shoe is your experience over the hundreds of miles you'll take them on. A good pair absorbs the impact from your feet hitting the pavement, works with your running gait to help reduce injury risk, keeps you safe from blisters, and ultimately makes for a more enjoyable run. In this video we will review top 3 budget-friendly shoes you can have. Whether you're in the market for something lightweight and speedy or cushioned and comfy, these are some of the best running shoes you can buy. So let's start.